Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today we will be dividing fractions. Let's divide. 1/3 divided by a half. One strategy is to keep the first fraction, 1/3, change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and flip this fraction. So instead of a half, we will have 2/1. Now we can multiply straight across. 1 times 2 equals 2. 3 times 1 equals 3. The quotient is 2/3. We could also turn the fractions into decimals and divide. 1/3 is the same as 0.33 divided by 0.5, which is a half. 0.33 divided by 0.5 is 0.66. And we know that 0.66 is equivalent to 2/3. 1/2 divided by 5. Let's turn the 5 wholes into a fraction. We know that's 5/1. Now let's go ahead and keep the first fraction as is. We'll turn the division sign into a multiplication sign, and we will flip the fraction, so we will have 1/5. Now we can multiply straight across the numerators. 1 times 1 is 1. Now let's multiply the denominators. 2 times 5, that's 10. The quotient is 1/10. Or we could just turn the fractions into decimals. 0.5 divided by 5, which will equal 0.1 or 1/10. 0.1 is the same as 1/10. 1/4 divided by 1/2. Let's keep the first fraction, 1/4. Let's change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and let's flip this fraction. So we have 2/1. Let's multiply the numerators. 1 times 2, that's 2. Let's multiply the denominators. 4 times 1, that's 4. We notice that we can simplify by dividing by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. The quotient is a half. Now let's turn the fractions into decimals. We have 0.25 divided by 0.5, which equals 0.5. 0.5 is the same as a half. 2/5 divided by a half. Let's keep the first fraction, 2/5. Let's change the division sign to a multiplication sign, and let's flip this fraction, so 2/1. Let's multiply the numerators. 2 times 2 is 4, and the denominators, 5 times 1 is 5. The quotient is 4/5. Or we could turn 2/5 into a decimal, which would be 0.4 divided by 0.5. Half is 0.5. 0.4 divided by 0.5 is 0.8. 0.8 is equivalent to 4/5. 2/5 divided by 2/3. Let's keep the first fraction, 2/5. Let's change the sign to a multiplication sign, and let's flip the 2/3 to 3/2. Let's multiply the numerators. 2 times 3 equals 6, and the denominators, 5 times 2 equals 10. I notice that we can simplify by dividing by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. The quotient is 3/5. Now let's try turning the fractions into decimals. 2/5 is the same or equivalent to 0.4 divided by 0.66. We know that will equal 0.6, which is equivalent to 3/5.